In the next few minutes, we will fix the most common English speaking mistakes. In this video, we will try to learn few common English mistakes. Welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's begin. Number 1. He is knowing many languages. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of is knowing is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of is knowing is wrong because the verb know is a state verb, mental state. It describes a condition, not an action. So state verbs do not use ing form. So using of is knowing is wrong, it should be knows. So the correct structure is subject plus verb simple present. He knows many languages. So the correct sentence is he knows many languages. Number 2. I am belonging to a middle class family. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of belonging to is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of belonging to is wrong because the verb belong is a state verb, not an action. So it does not use ing form. So using of am belonging is wrong. Instead of it should be belong. So the correct sentence is I belong to a middle class family. Number 3. He has less knowledge. So let's find out the mistake in the sentence. Here using of less is wrong because less knowledge always used in comparison means less than someone else. Little knowledge always used in or means almost no knowledge. So easy trick to remember is for the case of no comparison always use little, for comparison always use less. So the correct sentence is he has little knowledge. Number 4. She will marry with him. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of with in this sentence is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of with is wrong because the verb marry is a transitive verb. So it directly takes an object. The marry someone is right, marry with someone is wrong. Correct structure is subject plus marry plus person. She will marry him. So the easy trick to remember, marry always use with no preposition or get married always with preposition to. So the correct sentence is she will marry with him. Mistake number 5. I will meet you on next Monday. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of on is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of on is wrong because words like next, last, this, every already give clear time. So English does not use prepositions on in add with them. So the correct usage is next Monday, last week, this evening, every Sunday. It should not be like on next Monday, on this morning. Easy trick to remember is next, last, this, every. In all these cases, no preposition. So correct sentence is I will meet you next Monday. If you will notice an immediate change in your speaking, start correcting such these sentences from today. So comment below which mistake do you use most. I will fix it in the next video. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.